सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टेक्निकल सौरभ चैनल और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Future comes true.
Flexible screen is durable than LCD or LED. It has a lower chance to get damage. Its price varies from Rs 6,500 per square feet to Rs 25,000 per piece, which is slightly less than other displays. Apple, LG, Samsung and Vivo are in the race of making folding phones, and by the end of this year we can see a folding phone by Samsung. If you like the video, press the like button, share it with your friends, comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe the channel to see all the latest technology videos.